we're going to put some plain flour in there.
Kavi mixes plain flour, turmeric and warm water to a pizza dough consistency.
We just cover it with a cloth and let it rest for about half an hour.
Kavi, tell me about the filling for your dholl puri.
Yeah, the filling for the dholl puri is very, very simple. It's yellow split pea, which has been soaked 24 hours and then just boiled just until it cooks. Dry, strain it properly until it's all dry, and then blend it in a blender. And what we're going to do now, we're just going to make little balls and roll it like that. Put it in your hand and just make a little hole and then put a little bit of that filling inside. That's it. And then just close it. Pinch it on the bottom. Here we go. We're going to roll it now. Just going to put some flour in it so it doesn't stick. Just roll it like that. And you have to roll it as thin as you can. Okay, here we go. That's the dholl puri. Very thin. That's the thinnest that I can roll it. We just need some vegetable oil and on non-stick pan. And then we're just going to put it here. And it's going to cook very, very quickly. Just going to brush the top.
Oh, bubbles up nicely, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
you can see now it's coming up nicely. But you don't want it to have it too much color on it. You need it a little bit, but not too much. So as you can see here, this is what we're looking for. Exactly what we're looking for. Keep brushing here. On the street, we serve it we call it a pair of dholl puri, one pair, which is 2 pieces always,
Oh, really?
never by one.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so here we go. Voila. So here we go, we got our lima bean curry. Spread it around. We've got the achar. That's again, you don't put too much of that. And the fresh coriander chutney, just like that. And then we just roll it like that. And here we got our pair of dholl puri.
Now show me how you eat it at the dholl puri stand.
Normally they give it to you in half. Yeah. And what we do, put it in quarter, and then we pick it up like that, and then we just eat it like that.
Oh, great
Beautiful.
fresh flavours in there.
Right.
These are great.
It's beautiful.
So this is the national food?
It is. I would say this is the national food.
Great stuff.